Hi, in this video I will show you where to find default password and Wi-Fi name on the HUAWEI WS318 router. It's very easy. All the data you need to connect to the router for the first time you will find on the sticker at the bottom of the router, and there you have the Wi-Fi SSID and default IP address, which you need to open on your web browser to configure the router. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.